What's up, everybody? This is Bitcoin J coming back with another video. Now, normally I'd be doing videos on, actually, I like Westland Storage. That's something I'm heavily involved in, doing pretty good at that. But I want to make a video. I'm also involved in Shopify. I have a couple, well, one in particular, one Shopify store that's doing pretty good. And I want to kind of give you guys a little insider on this. Meaning, if you're wondering how to get traffic and minimize your expenses, meaning you don't want to have to spend a lot of money to get traffic. I'm not saying you can get free traffic, because you can, but it's not going to be a lot and it's not going to be quality. But I've stumbled into something that that's been doing really well for me. And I kind of laid back off of Facebook ads and Google ads and the shopping, ads. Although I'm still using it, and I will continue to use it because it gives me a ton of eyeballs on my site. But the one site in particular I'm talking about is it's called keywordtool.io. Make a note of that. I'll leave a link in the description below. Oh, but before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you to do anything. I'm showing you what I do and what I use and things that I'm involved in. If you decide to invest in it, get it, doesn't work, you want to be upset about losing money or something like that, don't look at me. That's your own fault. You're grown up. All right? Act like one. Now, that being said, also like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification. I got a few videos here, and I'm trying to build my channel up, build my likes up, and subscribe. That's the biggest thing. I need my subscriptions well over 1,000. I haven't even reached that yet. I'm like, I don't know, 100. That's weak. That's weak, y'all. Help a brother out. All right. I ain't that bad, and I ain't that good yet, but I'm getting there. And with your help and with your support, I'll get there one day. So help a brother. All right. Now, that being said, I like to be a little goofy, man. Deep in my core, I should have been a comedian somewhere. It's what I like. Anyway, listen, my Shopify store, and this is a plug. It's called stopandshoptoday.com. It's a general store. So it's not a specific store. It's not an item specific store. It's a general store. And, I sell a little bit of everything on that site. Now, what I've been testing was alternate ways to get, people to look at it, get traffic. But I use this site, and it's pretty cool. It's a little different than Keyword Tool with Google, with your Google AdWords account. This is a separate tool. Now, it probably uses some kind of algorithm that's associated with it. I don't know how the background works and the behind the scenes, but if you want to search terms for Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, App Store, Instagram, it has them all. This is my little parallelism. You may already know this, you guys. I don't know if you do or not, but this is pretty cool, because what I did was I want to get some eyeballs from Google and YouTube, because obviously that's 1 and 2 search engines, right? Okay. So let's say you type in, I don't know, I'm going to make up something here. Let's say you want to type in yoga pants, right? Now, this is free. I didn't pay for the professional version. This is the free version. So I type in yoga pants and I hit search. Now, what it's going to bring up are the search terms. Now, to actually see the volume and go in depth, and it's going to ask you to pay for it. I'm not into paying for it. Get it free, because if it works for free, then I might pay for it, and I will be paying for it because it's working. So I don't know if you know about Shopify in depth, or for you guys that already do know, obviously if you have a store, what you can do is you can put as many tags as you want on each item. So if you're showing your items, or if you're kind of, trying to get your items to, make your individual display look good. You're working on your tags, you're working on your title, working on your descriptions, quantities, all that stuff. Well, at the very bottom of that, on the right-hand side, you'll see tags. you could copy and paste all of these and put them into your tags of that specific yoga pant. So if you're selling yoga pants and you're wondering what people are searching for, what long tail keywords people are searching for on YouTube, these are them. So these are the terms people are putting in YouTube, and it pulls up a video or it pulls up a link or something. I've been getting like 73% of my referrals have been coming from YouTube because of this method. All right. So that's my little pearl of wisdom. Now, and this is free. I mean, I'm not charging for it. Maybe one day I'll have some kind of course where I can show you how to scale it up and to do different things to your website or to your Shopify store, I should say. That's gonna, optimize it. SEO, tag, title, descriptions, pictures even. The pictures need to be right. And it needs to flow too. It needs, people need to feel secure. If you already have a Shopify store, you understand the routine. It needs to make people feel warm and fuzzy that you're not trying to steal the money, or they give you a credit card and you're not just going to not follow through, because it's all about trust. So the more trustful your site looks, the more visitors you're going to get to click links that are going to purchase and return. Refer. All these things is what you want. So this is pretty cool, and this is really the only reason I made this particular video. I want to get you guys up to speed on this website, keywordtool.io, and I will have it in the description. So if you guys have any questions, any comments, you hate the video, you hate me, whatever, I don't really care. I'm still gonna make videos because I can. So the link will be in the description. Number one. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. All right. Help a brother out. I'm going to have more videos coming. That's all I got for you today. Peace and a bottle of that grace.